How to fix Spotify audio. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this on Spotify. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and then you have to go to Spotify and search on for it here. When you found it guys, just open it like this, what I'm doing right now, and go directly to storage option. Then go to the last option here, clear data, and click OK. And you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And then you have to go to Play Store and update Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.